वक्त जिन्हें हमने लास्ट देखा था सीरियल दहलीज में, अपने बर्थडे के वक्त यहाँ मौजूद नहीं थे, लेकिन आपके गिफ्ट्स हमने उनको पहुँचा दिए हैं। आइए हम देखते हैं कि उन्हें क्या गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं और साथ ही उनसे जानते हैं कि कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया था उन्होंने अपना बर्थडे इस साल।
Finally, I think my long due birthday segment has arrived, and Sim, I just got your cake, and it says Sim Chicago. So uh, I think your gift was there with India Forums, and finally these guys have come. So now I'm going to cut the cake. It has a beautiful picture of me, which is made pretty well. So although I don't want to cut this cake, but I'll still do that. So here, this is on behalf of Sim and everybody else whose gift I unwrapped in the previous segment. So this cake has been dedicatedly sent by Sim, so I'm just going to cut it now. All right, here I go. Happy birthday to me. Very nice. I have a weakness for chocolate any which way. So it's going to take a while to finish this. And lovely cake. Thank you so much, Sim. And I always say that you know, you guys have been sending me a lot of love and affection over a long period of time now. And lately, I got to know that we have been pretty much troubled about your gift not being received. So finally, here it is, and I've cut the cake. And yep, thank you so much. So since I was alone, I did this trip, and I was there. And when it was my birthday, I was in Barcelona. So luckily, the hotel staff had the cake arranged for me. So my travel agent had already informed them, which I was obviously not aware of. And fortunately or unfortunately, the itinerary was planned in a way that my birthday was, had to be celebrated there. And but the whole trip was fantastic. I started from Venice, and I did Italy and Spain. So total it was 17 days, and it was amazing every day. The whole idea of going by yourself and exploring is something else, and probably the next trip will be with family. And after Delhi's, I wanted some time off, and I think it was just great, very much needed. Another gift from Sim, and I'm gonna open this. Let's see what has Sim sent. This is, I think, hand sketched, and it's beautiful. And it says, spreading blissful happiness and pure smiles each day and every while. The man, the star with his irresistible style. Thank you so much. And it says RK16. I don't know if that's Sim or somebody else, but whoever made this portrait, it's stunning, and I think it really looks very similar to the picture. I remember this picture. Sumit only clicked this picture long back, and thank you so much, Sim, for this beautiful gift. I'm gonna open it further. There's, I think, a card behind it. So that's how it is actually, and this will probably go again on the table of mine where you have been seeing a lot of gifts. So this is Ritika Kirkman drawings. There you go. Beautiful. Very similar, very nice. I'm just gonna frame this up and put it. Okay, now let's see what's there in the card. Hi Smita. Thanks for the business. Hope Harshad enjoys the portrait. Rita. This is from the artist, I think, who had sent this to Smita. So that's the note, and I really loved it, Rita and Smita. This gift is really amazing, and I think you draw really well. Now, this is from Sim. That's the card. There you see, there you go. Gartner greetings. Thank you for every little big gesture of appreciation. It's hard to find good souls like you. To dear Harshad, sending you a small token of love. Hope you like it. Wishing you a wonderful birthday, just like the way you spread happiness. May you get loads of success. Have a rocking birthday, hero. Thank you so much, Sim. It's really nice and very simple card, and yeah, your gift came at the last, and it's just amazing. Thank you.
Special message that you would like to give to?
I think I haven't spoken to a lot of people over a long period of time now. A lot of fans, and Sim is one of them. So a lot of people have been very unhappy about me not talking. But the thing is that I've been pretty much busy in a lot of things. I've been traveling, and I've been figuring out a lot of things work-wise. So in case I hurt somebody unintentionally, I apologize. That's not the idea. That's not what I really want to do. But you got to understand that if I'm not able to reply or respond, that doesn't mean that I don't love you guys. But I do love you guys a lot, and that goes for Sim and everybody else.
For more updates on your favorite stars, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Niyati Tiwari, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Harshad Arora, and you're watching me on India Forums.